Welcome! If you want to transfer data from Motorola One Vision to other Android smartphone, for the first you have to go to the Google Play Store on the both smartphones and download application to transfer data. So let's click on the Play Store, then tap on the search, and right here you have to type CLONEit. It is the name of the application that we are going to use, and as you can see right now it is downloading, so we have to wait a little bit. Let's click on the open and also do the same on the second smartphone. Click allow a few times. Tap on the yes, I agree. And right now click sender on your Motorola One Vision and also click allow a few times. And right now click receiver on the Android smartphone, click set, turn on location and go back to our application and click receiver once again and tap on the search again. And right now we have to wait, and here we have to click on the Android share icon to connect. As you can see, we get two ways to connect. We can scan the QR code and also we can input the password manually. So let's scan the QR code, click on it, lift your smartphone, accept the request, and right now when you want to take everything from the Motorola One Vision, you have to click on all of these icons right here and just click on the start. But in my case I'm going for the details and I will go for the system data and I will get the wallpaper. So click on the start, OK. It is importing, so we have to wait a little bit. It's finished. And this is it, guys. As you can see, my wallpaper has changed. This is the easy way how to send data from the Motorola One Vision to your Android smartphone. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.